Hello my peeps, this Algebra Nation video will cover your workbook, page 124. We'll do the left side of page 124. And when you get your $3.99 or higher on the EOC, you can do the happy dance like they are. They passed the EOC. Time to celebrate. But now it's time for you to get to work.
Do GCF along with factoring. You might have to do GCF and then factor trinomial. So whenever you're asked to factor or need to factor, let's go ahead and get the GCF. You could also have problems with GCF as well. Start by factoring out the GCF and go ahead and finish the last line. So with that in mind, I'm going to factor out, well, what do I have in common here? G to the fourth, G cubed, G squared. I would take out a G squared. And remember, factor means divide. So in that case, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2 from each of those powers. That would give me G squared minus 16G plus 63. I took 2 away, I had G squared left. I subtracted 2, I had 1 left. I subtracted 2, gone. Now, what multiplies to 63 and adds to negative 16? So you have to sit there. 1 times 63. Definitely not divisible by 2 because it's an odd number. You'd have 3 times 21. And you keep on going, eventually you would get 7 and 9. And 7 and 9 would give you 16. But what is the sign? Negative and negative are the signs. Because a negative times a negative is positive, and a negative plus a negative, remember you add and you keep the negative. That'll be G minus 7 and G minus 9. Drop down the G squared. So here we have to do GCF and then factor a trinomial. Like this next one, what's in common? They're all divisible by 3. So I'd factor a 3 out first and get a squared, because that means you divide. 18 divided by 3, that'll leave you with a negative 6a. 81 divided by 3, 81 divided by 3, 27. Now, what multiplies to negative 27 and adds to 6? We've seen 27, so therefore we've got 1 and 27, 3 and 9. We know it's 3 and 9, but what are the signs? Negative 9, positive 3. So I've got a minus 9, a plus 3, all times 3. So I said to go ahead and finish the last line. And guess what?